Hi everyone, this video will focus on how to add some very basic effect in the Photoshop. Let's say the drop shadow, how to add the stroke for the text or the picture that you cut, and so on. Okay, so first of all, I just type something in my artboard. Okay. Okay, let's say I type hello. Okay, so I can't see my text, so I just change the color. Control T. Okay, so this is where you can change your font type. Okay, maybe I change the color first. Say I'm using a red color. Font type. Okay, choose any font type that you like. Okay. Okay, so let's say this is the font I want. Maybe the size I make it to 200. Alright. Move your text to the center. Okay, let's say this one is a red color text, but today you say I want to add a gradient color for my text. So how are you going to add a gradient color for the text? Just open your layer panel. Okay, select your text layer, right click, blending option. So you can animate all the style inside the blending option. Okay, let's just move this aside so you can see the preview. Okay, so let's say I want to add a gradient. So I just press on the gradient overlay. And then I want to change the color. Click on the gradient here. From here, you can either choose the default color. Or you say I want to use my own color. So mouse over to the color gradient. Mouse over to the color stopper here. Double click. Okay, pick the color that you would like to change. Let's say I want to change to red. The white color I want to change to yellow. So this is the gradient color. But let's say you want to add one more color in the middle. So you just mouse over to the bottom of the gradient slider, click, and another stopper appears here. So from here you want to change the color, double click on the stopper again, change the color you want. Then press OK. Also, you can move this color stopper to the location you want based on what kind of the gradient you would like. But let's say you have changed your mind. I don't want this pink color stopper. You want to delete it, you want to remove it. Click and drop it down. So it removed. Now I want my gradient color to be like this. Just press OK to apply. After that, you can animate the angle for your gradient, which angle you want. Or you want to, what kind of style you want to, like left or right, up and down, or from the center of the text to start the gradient, or reflect, or the diamond. Okay, so this one is up to you. We can animate all the things here. After that, you are satisfied, just press OK to apply. But after maybe 1 or 2 seconds, you say, hey, I want a stroke for my text. How are you going to add a stroke? Okay, same thing. Go back to our layer panel, select your layer, text layer, right click, blending option again. You want a stroke, so search for stroke. Click it. Now you add a stroke for your text. You can change the stroke size. What is the size of the stroke you want? What is the color that you would like? So it changed color, it changed the size. Let's say I want to use maybe black, just press OK, and then the position of your stroke, outside, inside, or center. So usually we will use outside. Okay, after that, the opacity is the visibility of your stroke. Let's say I want to lower the visibility, so it will become more transparent for my stroke. So this one you can animate. After you're done, just press OK to apply. Let's say I want to add a shadow here. So just search for shadow, drop shadow, click inside. Now from your preview here, you can see there's a shadow. Okay, so from the shadow here, you can change the shadow color. You can change the opacity of the shadow. You can also adjust the angle of the shadow. And also the distance of shadow between the text and also your shadow, and then the spread of your shadow, your size. So these are all the things you can animate inside the shadow control panel here. After you say I want this one, just press OK to apply. So now you have done add basic effects in the Photoshop.